Hey friends, this is TFUEL and welcome to the new update on TFUEL. After breaking out its down channel, the price line has retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and in today's video we will take a look whether the price line is going to start the next bullish move from here or we are going to move more down to break down the next support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and here we were watching in my previous video that the price line broke out this resistance of the channel, and after breaking out, the price line also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well, and this was the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern, and the price line is rejected by this neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern and moved down and retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and now is likely to move up from here. Now it is also possible that the price line is forming the right shoulder now, because even though previously we had this formation of the shoulder, but after this drop the price line did not drop more than this head. Therefore this pattern is still valid, and we can now treat this head and shoulder pattern in this way. This is this is the left shoulder, here we have, this is the head, and now it can be the right shoulder, and you can see exactly where we have this support of the right shoulder. At the same place we have this support of this down channel as well, and the price line has tested that support. And now, for example, if the price line moves up from here and break out this resistance of the head and shoulder, that is the neckline of the head and shoulder, then our next target after this breakout will be here. That will be even above the top of this channel, because our channel, the target for this channel is here approximately at 39 cents, and this target of the head and shoulder pattern can be 50 cents. That will be a huge target from here, because right now the price is approximately 17 cents, and this head and shoulder pattern is bigger than the head and shoulder pattern that Bitcoin is forming on the 4-hourly time frame, because this head and shoulder pattern is formed on the daily time frame chart. Now if we switch to the weekly time frame, then we can see that after this new rejection that we had here, and the price line has found another resistance that is very long and old resistance coming from here from June 2021. We had a rejection here, we had a rejection here, and if we touch this point as well, then we can see that we have several rejection points. So even though we have broken out this down channel on the daily time frame, but we are still moving in another falling wedge, very huge falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart. So if the price line breaks out the resistance of the head and shoulder and the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern and moves to the next target of the head and shoulder, that is approximately 50 cents, then it can also break out this bigger resistance as well, that we have the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and the target for this bigger falling wedge can be here at the top of this wedge, that will be approximately at 65 cents. So next few hours or days are very important for TFUEL, because it has formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, already has broken out a down channel on the daily time frame, and now this breakout can lead to a bigger breakout from a falling wedge pattern on the weekly time frame chart as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I shared. Take care. Goodbye.